Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick one, giving you a little update on my garden. Excuse the noise in the background, we've got workmen, a couple of neighbours away. So basically this is the garden, an overall view of my work. So I'll start from here on the left. My hands are dry, sorry, didn't cream them. Hands, they've just come out of water. Okay, so these are two benches that looks like benches. It was my double bed, and I had this bed for about, let's see now, about 25 years. I had it made somewhere in London, and sorry about that, my phone rang. So as I was saying, yes, I've had this bed for about 25 years, and I had it made for me, and I decided to change my bed a good few years back now. So what I did is a very good friend of the family, he came over and he cut the bed in half, and he put the legs on and stuff with some odds and ends of wood that I had hanging around. So I'm going to sand them down and paint them, and the tyres here, I painted them. I had some gloss paint and I used that to paint, but what I can say is that it's harder to paint tyres with gloss paint. It's only because I had it in the garden sitting around, I thought let me use it. So that's what I did. I paint the tyres with gloss paint. It took longer for the gloss to dry, so I would recommend like a chalk paint, a matte. I think that would be a lot better. That would dry quicker, and I will give them a going over at some later date, but I just thought let me leave them the way they are. So I did the four, that's another one there, and I put them on top of each other, and I planted some flowers. Now these little flowers, they're going to last up until the end of December, early January. I think they'll bloom until then, and then I just wanted some colour in the garden for now, so I went to B&M and I picked those up, and they had a lot of them on special offer, 50p for like a box of these, 50p. Some of them were £1, and the most expensive one I bought was £2.99. So me and my friend Joan, lovely friend of mine, she planted these for me yesterday, and these are the ones that's left over. All these are left over, so I just thought I'd keep them in the tray and water them as I go along and watch them. And I had this old tin for years, and I thought I'd plant some in there as well, and they're so lovely. I just wanted some colour in the garden, so they've come up really nice, and what a bargain, 50p for the trays and £1 for the trays, and the most expensive one was £2.99, and that was it. So it's given the garden a really nice colour. And these ones now, me and my friend again, we went to B&Q and we bought some bulbs. We shared, we bought 2 big sacks of daffodils, and I can't remember what the other ones were, but these will come up in spring. So if you're planting bulbs, do start to plant them now, and then they'll definitely come up in the spring. So these are all ready. I've got to give them a bit of water, And I bought these pots, the blue one, the yellow one, and the off-white one from Pound Stretcher. I think they were reduced from $7.99 I think to $4.99, and they're really nice. They're plastic, but when you look at them, they look ceramic. They look like pottery, and they're really, really pretty. I will put the before of the garden. I'll insert that into the video, and this is the outcome. Again, a very good friend of the family, he came over and he concrete the floor, because I had all grass there, and it was tiring me out. You know, every week I had to come out and trim down the grass, and it was just getting really tiring, and I thought, no, I want it all gone, low maintenance, and I'm gonna get myself a real quirky garden. This was a present from a very, very good friend of mine. This table and chairs, it's beautiful, and so I just put it there for now. And this plant is beautiful. Got this as well from B&M, and this is called Heather, and that was $3.49, and this will last up until March of next year, so I'm really pleased with that. So my good friend, lovely Joan, she's going to give me a pot. She says she's got a pot at home that she'd like to gift me, so I can't wait to get that, and I'm going to plant that in the pot. And over here I've just got some slabs, so when I'm planting I can break them up and put them at the bottom of the pots, so then the water can drain. And this big bag of multi-purpose compost, it was full, and that's what I used for the tires. And this is just an old stand to put the summer umbrellas in, and yeah, that's it. I'm really pleased with that, really, really pleased. Come and say hello, Joan. When I finish the rest of the garden, I'll definitely show you the rest of the garden, but I'm really chuffed with what we've achieved so far. Stand over there, Jonah. Say hi to everyone. Say hi.
Hello, everybody. A lovely day. Hope
what a beautiful day it is in October. And this is our love, Loyalty. He's so lovely. Look at him. He's so lovely. Hey, say hi, Loyalty. Say hi. We don't want to see the inside of you. We just want to see your pretty face, your handsome face. Aren't you so gorgeous? Look. He's my daughter's dog, as I always say in the videos, but he spends a lot of time with me at home. So that's it. I found these 2 old bottles as well, so I thought I'd put them up there. It's got some grunge in it, so I'm waiting for my other friend to come over next week so she can empty out, and then I'll just fill them with water, just in case it gets windy, and try to blow them off. So once they're filled with water, then they'll be sturdy enough to sit on the wall. And I'm going to use this wall to, you know, just do some quirky stuff on there. I've got some extra lighting that I want to put up, but I'm so pleased, so pleased with the results. Thank you so much, Joan. You have been, oh, an amazing help. So happy with my garden so far, and I will keep you updated. I do have a gazebo that we sit under. I'll just give you a shot of that in a minute. Okay, so this is the gazebo that we sit under, and we have some great times here. We have our coffee and do what we want to do under here. It's so lovely. And as I said, I'll give you a tour of the rest of the garden once I feel comfortable with the outcome. I forgot to show you the last of my tomato plants. They bared beautiful tomatoes. They were just amazing. We had tomatoes for months and months and months now. So this is just the last of it. And we did have some peppers as well. We had some peppers here. Where did we have the peppers? Over here. Yeah. And here's some garlic. And I'm trying to grow my lavender. It's taking its sweet time, but I'll just be patient with it. We had courgettes over there. They're finished now. And I did plant some lavender seeds in this pot, but I'm not quite sure if they're going to bloom any lavender. When I squeeze the pods, I can't smell any lavender, but hey ho, we'll just wait and see. Let nature take its course. Again, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the bell to get notifications when I upload my new videos. Bye now.